welcome back to the vlog. So today I'm going to be doing all of my meal prep for next week. So I'm not going to be meal prepping, sorry, I'm using my phone. I'm not going to be meal prepping dinner. I'm going to be meal prepping breakfast and lunch because next week I start school and I need to be ready because my schedule is in full swing. So I thought I would take you along, show you what I'm going to make for both meals and prepare it together. I've gotten most of my groceries and I kind of forgot to film, but I'm just gonna get the last bit and then go home and I'll show you everything that I picked up. I am back. I took a little detour to the nail salon and I got my nails done. I think they're really cute, but I was gone longer than I wanted to be gone. Anyway, so I'm gonna start this meal prep. So today what I'm gonna be making is roasted pesto chicken and vegetables, and then I'm gonna be making a ginger soy chicken wing meal with quinoa and broccoli, and both those things can be eaten cold, and that's what I need because I'm gonna be going to school and I need something that I can just eat on the go. So it can be heated up, but I can eat it cold too. So I'm gonna put some of these dishes away and we will get started. Most of these recipes are Whole30, keto friendly, all of those things. So if you are eating a restricted diet, these are very simple. The pesto is Whole30 and I believe the chicken wing recipe is keto, but I am just eating healthy. I'm not following any sort of regime. So let's get into it. Okay, so I've taken the chicken and mushrooms out of the oven. They were in there for 10 minutes. And I cut up the broccoli and zucchini. This looks really ugly. And I kind of tossed it in the pesto. And I'm going to add this on the pan. And I'm going to cook this for an additional 10 minutes. And 10 more minutes, then we will take it out of the oven, let it cool, and I'm gonna divide it into 4, and voila, that is one style of lunch. And actually right now, I'm going to start the breakfast frittata. So I'm going to wash my hands and get started with that. For the breakfast frittata, I need 2 mild Italian sausages, half a red pepper, 7 ounces of sweet potato, 5 cups of spinach, eggs, and almond milk. Now you can add onion in it, I don't like onion, and then you're gonna be adding garlic powder and salt and pepper. So I'm gonna start off by cutting up the veggies, and then I'm going to saute the sausage, and then as well as the veggies in the same pan. So let's get started. Okay, while that is kind of cooking, I am going to do 6 eggs in a bowl with 1/4 cup of unsweetened almond milk, and as well as 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, salt and pepper. This up. Okay, the last thing that I'm gonna make, my kitchen's crazy now, is the chicken wings and the marinade. So the chicken wings will be with quinoa and broccoli, but I'm not gonna make the quinoa and broccoli until I come back from being away on Monday, just because I feel like that might not keep for the whole week, but the chicken wings will. The marinade is made, so I'm reading off the menu. 26 ounces of chicken wings, 2 tablespoons of fresh garlic minced, 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger, finely chopped or grated, 3 tablespoons of gluten-free tamari soy sauce, which I have right here. This I've never used before, but this is a natural sweetener. It is brown rice syrup, and so you do 2 teaspoons of brown rice syrup. And you let that sit in a baggie for 20 minutes in the fridge and then pop it in the oven. So I'm gonna make the marinade and then I will let it sit and then bake them. I just took the frittata out of the oven and it looks so yummy. So I'm gonna let this cool and then I will cut it up and kind of divide it out. Okay, I am all finished. I haven't divided up the meals because I went to pull out all my containers and realized I didn't have any. I have the pesto chicken with zucchini, broccoli, and mushroom. That tastes really yummy. I don't necessarily love it cold, which I thought I would because part of why I chose this was to eat it cold, but it'll do. These chicken wings, these taste really good. The marinade was delicious. It said if you could marinate it overnight, you should. Next time I will. And then the frittata, which I took a tiny slice. This is bomb. This is so good. So I'm gonna cut this up and I'll have this for breakfast. And this has 2 lunches and this has about 3 lunches in it. So I should be good for next week. So that is my meal prep, and then dinners are gonna be simple and healthy, something quick, something maybe that Andrew can help me with because he actually is a really good cook. Anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this meal prep video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe down below, and I will see you again in another video. Bye!